County until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Utica and moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is radar indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, vehicles and crops. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 106 and 113. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Gove County, Kansas. A severe